So where that comes in at is kind of up under the bottom of the motor there. So maybe they designed this for the fuel line to run underneath up here. That certainly is something to think about. So the other thing I'm going to have to do to get this on there is push a little rod over inside of here. There's a rod that pushes up and down that works the fuel pump. That may stick up in there enough to hold it. I put some grease on the tip end of it when I was setting this up, and it seems like it's still enough stuck up on there so it doesn't just immediately fall back on down, which is good because you need like a second or two to get that up in there before it comes down. Sometimes these things they're kind of hard up against the spring too, so that can be a problem when you're putting one in. I may have to move this piece of rubber out of the way to get that over in there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. Kind of didn't want to have to lift the engine again, but I can, I suppose. I might can move it with a rod without having to actually pick it up. I can try that too. Okay, to get an engine to run, you need three things. You need fire or electricity, you need some sparkage, and you need some gas, and you need some air. Your electricity comes from your distributor, and back in the old days you had a set of points and a condenser and a coil and this distributor cap and all these wires. They've condensed all that into this one piece now, which is pretty magnificent. What I've done here is I've set this up so that that is working. What I'm going to do is this is the wire that takes the fire to that. Maybe I could stick that under here. That ain't gonna work. I'm trying to just wedge that in there long enough for you to see the fire moving there. We'll just sit that right there. But I'm going to need a free hand to hold the camera. Let's see if that's enough. And then there's a spark plug right there. Right there. And if this fires, that's where the fire should be seen. You see that fire jumping in that plug? I'll do it again. Watch that little white thing here. And right there. Where's my finger? I can't see it in the camera, but I know it's there. Where is it? Here's my finger. Right here. So just watch that spot right there. See that fire? Okay, so this is firing. So probably if I poured some gas in here, it would crank.